Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a collaboration on an Instagram post even after you've already posted it. This is super helpful for those times when you forget to tag someone or decide to collaborate after the fact. So, let's dive right into it. The first step is to open the Instagram app on your phone. This method works on both iOS and Android devices, so don't worry about your phone type. Once you are in, now go to your Instagram profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile, scroll through your posts and select the one where you want to add the collaboration. I'll choose this cool post as an example. Once you are in the post, next, tap on the three dots at the top right corner of your selected post. A menu with several options will appear. In the menu, you want to click on the option called Edit. When you click on the Edit button, Instagram will now open the post editor, allowing you to make changes to your post even after it's been published. To add a collaboration, click on the Add Paid Partnership label button located at the top of your post. When you tap on that button, it will take you to a new page. Make sure to enable the toggle called Add Partnership label. Once you do that, a few more options will appear, where you can add your collaborators. But what if you don't see the Add Paid Partnership label button in your editor? Don't worry, I got you covered. Head back to your Instagram profile. Once you're back on your profile, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen. This will open Settings and Privacy. Now, in the Settings and Privacy, you have to scroll down until you see the Help option. Once you find it, simply click on it. When you click on it, few more options will appear. From these, click on the Report a Problem that is probably a first option. After that, if a button pops up, click on Don't Include. Now, you'll see a text box where you can write to the Instagram team. Explain your problem, asking them to solve your issue without needing to delete and repost. You can say something like, "I am unable to add a collaboration to my post after publishing it. Could you please enable this feature for my account?" You can also attach a screenshot of the issue. You can also copy my message. After you've written your message, go ahead and send it. Instagram should reply within a day or two with a solution. And that's how you add collaborations to your Instagram posts even after you've posted them. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.